We are currently doing 50-50 split with our clients, which the agency get around 1K a month and the client gets 1K a month, which is obviously great. And the client have to do a single thing, so it's just pure passive income. Like, who doesn't like that, right?
We hit $27,000 in revenue and close to $6,000 in total profit for the client.
It's been doing around average 2K a month, so obviously great if you have it as a side income. Currently we have 2,500 active listings. This is all product substitution. We have no bulk listing on this account. Yeah, this account was started from scratch. You can see it has 634 reviews. It has 0 when we started.
All right, what's up guys? Marc, Augustine here, and in this video we're going to do another update. If you guys have been following me for a while, I've been dropshipping on eBay since 2011. Had Joran on the channel for, I want to say, going on 6 months now. Last year he hit close to $25,000 in sales a month, and this is, since then we've been managing a number of accounts for a number of clients, and this is the first client account. We hit $27,000 in revenue and close to $6,000 in total profit for the client. So Joran, how are you going?
Hey, what's up everyone? Yeah, I'm pretty good, Mark. We're just here to show you everyone some of the results, a little update on the accounts, one of the accounts that we are managing, since it's been quite a while now since we made a video, and it's probably about time to give an update. So as you can see, this account currently is nearing $6K in profit. It's been doing around average 2K a month in profit, maybe a little bit less, which is obviously great if you have it as a side income. We are currently doing 50-50 split with our clients, which means both of us, the agency, get around 1K a month and the client gets 1K a month, which is obviously great. The client doesn't actually have to do a single thing, so it's just pure passive income. Like, who doesn't like that, right?
Right. Guys, if you guys will have any questions about us managing your account, I'll put a link in the description and you could join a group and we could go through if it's a good fit. But yeah, sorry, go ahead. You're on.
Yeah, so we can also just check out like some of the overview, right? Currently we have 2,500 active listings. Revenue is like going from peaking at 4 year. There's a little bit of a lower amount of impressions and sales because people don't have as much money anymore as in December and in November. So impressions, listing views, sales, they just all went down a little bit, which is reasonable, right? I think everyone is dealing with this in the e-commerce space. As you can see, traffic has been consistent, so we do get traffic, right? You can just see that you can see all the red buttons basically next to it. So
But look, do me a favor, Joran. Could you do a custom time frame and do like 90 days or do 60 days? Do from the beginning of like
yeah,
November.
we can also start from we can do it from the whole
Yeah, so
basically
we can
since
see.
we started, so 30th of January, right? So yeah, you can see that we just peaked in November, actually really quite quickly, and it's also where we had peak in profits. And then it just
Right.
went like kind of like downhill a little bit because December, like, people were already, I feel like, spending a little less money. Also, we pruned here, so there's like less listings, right? Profits were still pretty good this month. But yeah, then you can see after December it stinks even more, even though we didn't really prune. And now only recently it started to go up again.
Right.
I think it just has a lot to do with purchasing power. Like, you can also see with the views, it's kind of aligned, right? So we hope it has the trend of just going up again. Same for here, right? It's all aligned quite similarly, the graphs. Actually, that doesn't really change much according to impressions and sales. If I would go back to the order tracker, we're still averaging around 20% profit margin, which is absolutely great. And now it's just about increasing the volume of sales that we have, which means we will make more profit, right?
Out of those 2,500 listings, how many of those would you say is product substitution and how many you think is bulk listing?
This is all product substitution, all 2,500.
Okay.
We have no bulk listing on this account. Yeah, this account was started from scratch. You can see it has 634 reviews. It has 0 when we started, and it's still running well, no issues whatsoever. What we did do is, because what I also, a little tip for people, what I do recommend, because as you can see here, the tracking uploaded in time is very little. We changed the handling time to 3 or 4 days because with TrackerBot, they're a bit slow.
Yeah.
unfortunately. So then they often don't upload it in time. So we decided to change the handling time a little bit. It hasn't really affected sales as much as we thought it would. So yeah, it also just gives you a bit more time to breathe yourself. If you're fulfilling orders, you don't always have to do it the next day. There's some issues, you have more time to handle it. If you have some Amazon account issues, you have more time to handle it. So it all makes the account operation a little bit easier.
Okay. So, guys, this was just a quick update on. I know some of you guys who've been following me for a long time would have seen Euron, and then there was a period he wasn't on the channel. So, like, subscribe. I'll put a link to my calendar. I'll put a link to the group if you have any questions. If you have any questions outside of that, put it in the comment section, and we'll do continuous updates on these accounts. From these updates, you could get some strategic insights and what you could achieve drop shipping on eBay in 2026. Like, subscribe, let us know how we could help you. Check out the description for the free resources. You want to say anything else before we go, Joran?
No, just if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me on Telegram or in the group chat. I will respond to you. It might take some days sometimes, but I will respond to you eventually. And yeah, we appreciate you watching. And until next time.
Okay, guys, have a good one.